Guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beginner's house. So what you can get is any type of block. I'm just going to use wood planks. So you're supposed to start maybe 5, maybe 6 blocks out from there, and then you should go like maybe 5 more blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can go back and you should go about to where it matches. Then you should go like 1 block out. Then you can make it another tall. And you can make this 2, maybe 3 blocks tall. It doesn't really matter how tall you make it. You can make multiple stories if you want. I'm just gonna make 1 story. So you're supposed to make it 3 tall at like the walls. But if you wanted to make it 3 blocks where you stand, then you'd do 4. So you just do 1 extra. And then you can make your roof. If you're going to make multiple like rooms, if you're using stairs or ladders, you don't fill the entire sink. Then after you do this, you can get any type of door. It doesn't matter which door. I'm just gonna get oak wood door. Then you just place it like that. If you did what I did, then you can close them. Then you can get any type of glass. I'm gonna use just the big type. You can use panes, and they have different stained glass. Then you can break some blocks, place, break block, place, and break place. Then you can get some torches, and you can place them. You can place them anywhere. Here and here. Then it's just on decorating. And I really don't do that much. All I get is maybe some carpet. I usually get red because it's my favorite color. And I just place it down. And then you can put whatever you want in your house. Anything you want. Which I'm gonna get a bed. Chest. Crafting table. Furnace. You can break some water blocks. Break place. Break place. Break place. Break. And then you can get some stairs. I'd like you to, basically, if you want to. Or you could just place a block like that's here. You can place it just down. And that's basically it. That's all you can do for a house. And if you want to make it more old fashioned, you could get some stairs and place it all around. But I'm just going to keep it plain flat. So, that's all. See you in my next video, guys.